Are dilations all about adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? What are dilations all about? Dilations are all about multiplying. Okay, so you want to have a calculator handy because we're going to be doing some multiplication here. In case you need to multiply fractions, you might want to open your Desmos tab because that will multiply fractions for you. And we're going to start with number 1. So number 1 says, point B has coordinate 1, -1. What is the coordinate of B prime under a scale factor of 3? Hi, Joanna. We're just starting dilations in the coordinate plane. Okay, so to get the new coordinate, you guys, you're just going to be using multiplying. That's okay, hun. You're just going to be using multiplying. So I'm going to take my original point, and you always multiply by the scale factor. Multiply by scale factor. So we're going to multiply by 3 in this case. All right, and you just do it to each of your numbers. So what's 1 times 3? What's 1 times 3? 3. What's -1 times 3? And that's your new coordinate. So this would be answer choice B, 3, -3. Okay, let's do it again. Number 2 says, oh, number 2 is a writing one. Number 2 says there are distinct differences between an enlargement and a reduction. Describe the key facts in both types of dilations. What's an enlargement, you guys? Yeah, so an enlargement means that the image gets bigger. And in enlargements, what kind of scale factors do enlargements have? Check your cheat sheet, it tells you. And the scale factor is always what? Enlargement scale factor is what? Look at the cheat sheet I gave you guys. Thank you, RJ, is always greater than 1. Okay, what's a reduction? A reduction means the image what? Gets smaller. And the scale factor is always what? Yep, is always between 0 and 1. Okay, that's a lot to type, so let me know when I can clear the screen, you guys. Let me know when you have it. All right. Okay, I have 2 people, 3 people. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna clear my screen. in about 5, 4, unless someone shouts, wait, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, number 3 says, the ordered pair -4, 4 is on the pre-image. Okay, so this is the pre. A scale factor was applied to produce the new image, this yellow one. We have to figure out what the scale factor is. Okay, so we know the pre-point is -4, 4. What's the matching one? If I label this A and B, what's the matching letter to this point right here? Is it the A point or the B point? It's the A point. And what's the A coordinate? Like, what's the location of that A point? It's this one right here. I think it's -2, 2. -1, -2. Yeah, -2, 2. And then remember, you guys, your scale factor is always going to be the new over the pre. Okay, so I'm just going to take my positive numbers. Which one is the new number? Is it the 4 or the 2? And what's the pre? And 2/4, does that reduce to 1/2, 1/4, 2, or 4? Yeah, 2/4 becomes 1/2. So B would be the correct answer here. B would be the correct answer. Any questions so far? No? Okay, let's move to number 4 then. Number 4 says, a triangle shown is a pre-image. Apply a scale factor of 1/2 to point A. Okay, so what's the coordinate of A? What's the location of point A? 0, if 0 comes first, it would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And is it +5 or -5? -5. Okay, our scale factor is 1/2. That means we're multiplying by 1/2. What is 0 times 1/2? 0. Okay, and if you need to use a calculator on this, feel free. What's -5 times 1/2? Yeah, it's -2.5. So that's my A prime. That's my new coordinate, which is C. Okay. Okay, let's keep going. Number 5 says, consider the given pre-image dilated by a scale factor of 2 and answer the questions. If we do a scale factor of 2, is that a reduction, an enlargement, or a congruent image? That's an enlargement. Anything greater than 1 is an enlargement. Okay? And then if we apply that scale factor of 2, it says, what will the new coordinate of the vertex 3, 3 be if the vertex at 0, 0 remains the same? So they want to know what the new coordinate is for this point right here. So this point is 3, 3. It's a scale factor of 2. That means we're multiplying by 2. What would be my new coordinate then? We're multiplying by 2. Yeah, it's just 3 times 2 and 3 times 2. 6, 6 would be the new coordinate. 6, 6 would be the new coordinate. Okay? All right, last one that we're going to do today says, for the given image, okay, so this is the new image, and the scale factor, which of these ordered pairs is one of the pre-image vertices if the center of the pre-image is also the origin? Okay, so we have a scale factor of 5, and we're trying to figure out which of these could have been on the pre-image. Okay, and the yellow rectangle is the new image. Let's label these coordinates. So what's this coordinate up here? Three, 5. Yeah. What's this one over here? Okay, what's this one down here? Thanks, RJ. And then what's this one down here? Okay, so now we're going to take these coordinates and we're going to use our scale factor of 5 and we're going to multiply by 5. Okay, so someone grab a calculator. What's 3/5 times 5? 3. And what's 1 times 5? Does this coordinate match any of the coordinates that we just listed out? It doesn't? Yeah, it does. This is the pre-image point. And if you notice, if we do it to, like, if we multiply by 5 on C, we would get 5, 5, and that's not on our rectangle. If we did D times 5, it would be 25, 5, and that's not on our rectangle. A is the only one that's going to show up on the rectangle. Okay, any questions, you guys? No? Okay, tomorrow we'll do 7 through 12 in the live session, so make sure you come back to finish off this assignment. All right? You guys are free to go. Have a good afternoon. I'll see you guys tomorrow. You too. Thank you.